Welcome to AI Toolkit, your ultimate destination for mastering AI tools and boosting your productivity, creativity, and everyday life. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, entrepreneur, or just curious about artificial intelligence, this channel is designed for you. We bring you easy-to-follow tutorials, honest reviews, and expert tips on the best AI tools and software available today. Our goal is to make AI accessible and understandable for everyone. From beginners to advanced users, we cover a wide range of topics to help you stay ahead in the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence. Join us as we explore the latest trends, breakthroughs, and practical applications of AI technology. At AI Toolkit, you'll discover a world of possibilities. Step-by-step tutorials to help you harness AI for productivity, whether you're a beginner or an expert. In-depth reviews of the latest AI tools, so you know what's worth your time and investment. Tips and tricks to maximize your efficiency and creativity, enabling you to achieve more in less time. And real-life applications to see how AI can transform your workflow, making everyday tasks easier and more efficient. By subscribing to AI Toolkit, you're joining a community passionate about leveraging the power of AI to transform the way we live and work. Our subscribers are at the forefront of innovation, using AI to solve real-world problems and create new opportunities. Hit that subscribe button to simplify, innovate, and succeed in your AI journey. Stay updated with the latest trends, tutorials, and insights from industry experts, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's explore the world of AI together, unlocking its full potential and making a difference in our world. Thank you for stopping by. We're excited to have you on this journey with us. Remember, with AI, the possibilities are endless. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.